Good day to all. Okay, so let us see some of the concept of weighted residual method. So here I am going to give some of the introduction about weighted residual method. Okay, so far we have seen about structural applications that is being solved in Rayleigh method because easily we can frame the potential energy equation for the particular kind of problems. Okay, so that is being solved in Rayleigh method. Okay, for non-structural problem like thermal, fluid, electrical, electromagnetics, so for that kind of applications the weighted residual method is preferred. Why non-structural means the differential equation of the phenomena is readily available. Okay, that is why we are directly use weighted residual method. Okay, so there are four methods available. So this can be asked in your 2 marks: point collocation, subdomain collocation method, least square, and Galerkin method. Okay, so directly we can move on to a problem so that you will understand the four methods. So the following differential equation is available for a physical phenomenon. So the d square y by dx square plus 50 equal to 0. The domain is 0 to 10. The trial function is, so this is domain limit. The trial function is already given, y equal to a1x into 10 minus x. Okay, so this is your trial function. The boundary conditions are y of 0 equal to 0 and y of 10 is equal to 0. Okay, so we have to find out the value of the parameter a1 by point collocation method, subdomain collocation, and least square and Galerkin method. Okay, okay. So now let us try to solve our problem. So the step 1 is choose the trial solution, or given take the given trial solution. Okay, and from the boundary conditions we can write that if x is equal to 0 then y equal to 0. Okay, so this is the boundary condition given: x is equal to 0, y equal to 0. If x is equal to 10, y equal to 0. Okay, so we have to apply and check whether the trial function is satisfy our boundary conditions or not. So x is equal to 0 means y equal to 0, that is satisfied. If x is equal to 10 is, then y equal to 0. So here boundary conditions are satisfied. Okay, so this is our step 1. Okay, so now we know the differential equation d square y by dx square plus 50 is equal to 0, right? So we know the trial function y equal to a1x into 10 minus x. So let us keep the a1 and multiply 10x minus x square. Okay, and if you differentiate this, it will become a1 10 minus 2x. If you again differentiate this, it will become a1 into minus 2a1, right? So this is the value. You substitute this equation into differential equation. So minus 2a1 plus 50 is equal to 0. Now we are assuming that this is the calculated residual. Okay, so this is your method, second step. So before proceeding with any step, you have to find out the residual of all the problems. Okay, so the first method is point collocation method. Okay, okay, so we know that the residual must be is equal to 0. Okay, that is the point collocation method, r equal to 0. Directly we can make this minus 2a1 plus 50 equal to 0. From this we can directly find out the value of a1, so that is 25. Okay, so that is very simple method, point collocation method. And the next step is, the next method is subdomain collocation method, right? So here integral 0 to 10 r into dx is equal to 0. So this is your formula for subdomain collocation method. The boundary limit is 0 to 10. That is why we are written 0 to 10. Okay, now integrate this minus 2a1 plus 50 into dx equal to 0. From that we can integrate minus 2a1x plus 50 into x 0 to 10 equal to 0. So apply the upper limit. If you apply the lower limit, it will become 0. So from this simplified equation form, we can find out a1 value equal to 25, right? So this is subdomain collocation method. For the both method we have got the same answer, right? So the third method is our least square method. Okay, here the formula is dou I by dou a1, dou I by dou a1 is equal to integral 0 to 10 r into dou r by dou x into dx, dou a1 into dx. Okay, that should be equal to 0. So we already having the value of r and differentiate with respect to a1, you will get minus 2 and multiply this same and substitute in the above formula. So the minus 2 is directly constant, so we can make it to 0, and the remaining thing is we have to integrate this. We can get the value of a1 that is equal to 25. Okay, so this is your third method. And fourth method is Galerkin's method. Here we have a formula of integral 0 to 10 wi into r into dx. So that is wi is your weighting function. Okay, so here we can choose our weighting function as our trial solution. Okay, directly we can take it as a trial solution. Okay, so integral 0 to 10, so your trial solution is y1 a1x into 10 minus x into your r is minus 2a1 plus 50 is equal to 0. So from that you have to multiply all the term into dx equal to 0. So you have to multiply all this term into inside, so that you will get the value of, so let me keep this 10a1x minus, sorry, let me erase this. Okay, one second. 10x minus x square, let us keep a1 outside. Okay, so now we have to integrate this, multiply this two terms. So you will get minus 20a1x plus 500x plus 2a1x square minus 550x square into dx equal to 0. So integrate this whole term, minus 20a1 x square by 2 plus 500 x square by 2, 2a1 x cube by 3 plus minus 50 x cube by 3, 0 to 10 equal to 0. Okay, we can make this a1 to 0, right, because it is a constant value. For other x values we have to substitute 10, right? If you substitute 10 in the value of x, you will get this equation, and simplify this total equation. So minus 1000 a1 plus 25000 plus, if you simplify this, 666 by 6 a1 minus 16666.6. so from this we can find out again the value of a1 is equal to 25. Okay, okay, so these are all the results we got from 4 method. So from the point collocation method we got the value of a1 equal to 25. From subdomain collocation we got the value a1 equal to 25. From least square we got the value a1 equal to 25, and also for Galerkin method also we got the value of a1 is equal to 25. Okay, thank you very much friends. If you like it, you just please share it to your friends and comment it. Okay, thank you.